Hello and welcome, Katie here. Thanks so much for stopping by. I've got a quick sneak peek for you for Missing Stamps. There's a new release coming on Saturday the 13th, and I've got this Love and Bloom stamp set that I thought I'd do a little differently because I know a lot of people are going to color. So I pulled out some old alcohol ink backgrounds that I had, and I'm just using it to stamp with. So I'm using some alcohol lift ink, and I did the pink, but I didn't have any more of the blue panels, so I figured I need to start filming now so that I can get everything in. But the technique is the same. The only difference here is that I'm only inking up with the lift ink on the edge of the heart. I wanted to give, you can see how soft the pink is on the edges, and I needed to give a little bit more definition and detail and bring that stamp out on those edges. So I thought using the blue background would do that, and it did perfectly. Still soft in the video, but in real life it's much more vibrant. So I'm just scrubbing that lift ink on the outside edge of the heart, and I do it 3 times. I don't clean the stamp in between, and I also don't wipe the alcohol lift ink off of the background alcohol panel, inked panel. So you can see it kind of coming through there, but I don't wipe it down. It's just what the lift ink is eating away. And I'm just building that color. And isn't that such a pretty purple? Now this is the Modern Typeset Frame Die. Now I chose to keep all my little squares within the frame to give it some detail and definition, but the center pops out and so do the little squares. And the alphabet die comes with it as well. You can see them over there on the left, the die frame and the alphabets, but you get a couple extra pieces of the alphabet. So you get a regular H and then you get this flourish H, and there's several letters in the set that do that as well. You can see that M over there on the left. So really fun. I'm super excited, and I hope you are too. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure and check the description box below and head on over to Missing Stamps Instagram account and check out all the other sneak peeks to get you excited for tomorrow's release. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.